What it is, YouTube Nation. We're back at it once again, and it's been a while. We're not in Texas anymore. We're in California. And today, we're doing an install. Not on the Road Glide, on my new ST. Well, 6 months new. We're putting on the Feuling BA air cleaner. That's what we got right here. That's what we're gonna do, and it's gonna go on that one. Taking off the stock. Shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. Well, it's not too hard, but for me, it can be pretty hard. So let's get to it. All right, so let's get this bad boy. I bought this August or September. I had that Triumph bobber. I liked it a lot. But I've been watching the Lowrider S's and STs. I don't want an ST because I don't really want the bags and all that. I got a bagger. So I went with the Lowrider S. So I put on the San Diego custom seat. I painted it, as you can tell. That was a big win. It's kind of thrashing inspired. We'll go over it in a different video. But yeah, it's kind of thrashing inspired. Anyway, so I put on the San Diego custom seat, the thrashing bolt, the lane splitter, what is this, Speed Concepts? I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Put on that. Put on the thrashing floorboards, the shifter. I got the brake lever that I need to add. I've also got the risers, 9.5 inch pullback risers with mid-bend bars that I got to put on. We're gonna do the breather right now. I got the adjustable brake pedal, and I got the tail light that eliminates the turn signals here. I'm not sure what I want to do as far as headlight, but that one sucks. And I have the bigger fairing, the Road Warrior. So I'm gonna put that on, see what I like better. But I had them both painted, so I can switch them out if I want. Anyway, but that's not what we're here for. Today we're doing the air cleaner by Feuling. So let's get you mounted to my head, and let's get this shit done. All right, here we go. So we need a few tools, not very many. We need a, where is it on here? We need a ratchet, got it. A 5/32, got it. Allen socket, no, well that's what that is. And then the extension, check. And 7/16, check. So we got everything we need right here. That's it to put it on. Alrighty, we are back. Had to go get these at the store. Alright, so first things first, we'll take off the breather. 3/16 right here. 3/16 Allen. We're taking off the original breather. Usually I strip shit, so wish me luck. So I strip heads. I don't strip at strip shows. Man, that looks pretty, huh? Yeah. I'll keep this. I gave my last one away. Anybody wants this, leave a message. You pay the shipping. Gotta make sure you get it all the way in. You don't get it all the way in, you ain't getting any action. You're just gonna strip it. Oh, and how do I know? All right, so the breather is almost off. I think it's probably got like 700, 800. I had a little mishap September 31st. I wasn't paying attention. It was all my fault. And I went down and got fucked my grass. I fucked around and I found out. Could have been worse. Got my leg pretty good. Both my arms. A little bit on my back. A little bit on my mirror. Don't fuck around and you won't have to find out. Oh yeah, not bad at all. So here we go. So we know blue Loctite, okay. Let me screw these so we don't. Anyway, so I went down pretty hard. I was going like 45, 50. It came up on a turn that I didn't see, or the road started turning back. Not that I didn't see the turn. Of course I knew it was going to turn. It was on a bridge. Anyway, I hit the curb, flipped me off. Bike kept rolling. Anyway, that's when I decided, you know what? It's not going to be a black bike anymore. We're going to go the color that I want. And when we get in the light, dude, it pops. Now we got to take off the mounting, whatever you call this shit. We got to take that off, T45. And we will now, I guess I don't really need it on an extender, but it's already on, so we'll just leave it. I always give it a few good bumps to make sure it's in. There we go. We are free. Well, let's open it up and see what we got in here. Ta-da! Couple stickers. Comes with some Loctite, some washers, thread locker, some more O-rings, some breather bolts. That is it. And clean the intake with a clean rag to ensure it's free of debris. Clean breather hole surfaces. Okay. Inside, not bad at all. Clean the outside. Well, that's much easier to read than the one on the Triumph. Was a fucking joke when I had to register it and find the whatever the bike number, not the serial number, but this, whatever. Okay, eyeballs check. Clean throttle body and blade. Ooh, I didn't clean the blade. Did not clean the blade. This is how I get my finger stuck in here. It was clean. Okay. Clean the breather bolt, did, and throttle body surface, did. Lube and install inner and outer breather O-rings. These plastic nuts are just for shipping purposes, not reasons. Okay, so now we got the O-rings. Lube and install inner and outer breather O-rings. Use the O-ring lube. And this is the grease. So we're gonna tear it open. Probably better if I had gloves on. Alright, so those seem stuck in there, that's good. Do the other side. Greases up. No Loctite on these. So don't tighten these yet. So you put these in to make sure they all thread. Torque breather bolts at 22 to 24 foot-pounds. All right. I haven't used this bad boy in a while since it's for my rig. All right, let's see. All right, you hear that pop, pop? 24. All right, so it says to line it up. S for Softail, T for Touring. To the top left bolt, that's that one. And I have a Softail, so we'll put that in. So you just tighten. Keep going in circles till you get all the way down. And we're on the home stretch. All right. Well, of course, I didn't hit record. You lube the air filter with grease that they give you. Slide it on. Then you put on the cover plate with the glass. And the long bolts go into the posts. Super easy install. Looks great. And now I got to go for a hike. So we'll finish this up in a minute. Bye. Figure that out later. We're going to have to do some editing here, right, guys? That's right, Mike.